Alright, guys and gals, I was going to put a jumper on them slide posts on the side of that solenoid. These should give sufficient room for it on the side there, which there's a lot of room. And I'm going to put two of these on there so I can hook up the original winch controller via the cable. There's that one. And there's that one. Alright. The black went on the top of the original cable controller. Get that hooked up, and the blue one went in the bottom, the original cable controller. Now we've got an extra tab here for our winch controller. Now, if you note, these have the round connectors on them. I don't want to have to change them, as you can see. And I've got slide connectors here. I'll just snip these two off. Like that. Okay. And I've got a wire stripper. Don't want to strip too much wire. About like that. Maybe 1/4 of an inch. I'll show you after I get this other one stripped. These are braided wires and braided insulation on them. Well, it's going to be a little tougher than I thought, but we'll get it. Clip these off. That braided cable. come over here and show you this. Strip about that much off. It's like 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little less. About that much. I want to nip the hairs off this one. That yellow jacket aggravate me. It's odd. Yellow jacket out in March. Must be going to be an early summer, hopefully. About like that. Now I'm going to take my wire crimping tool and I'm going to put these slide connectors on it. Okay. Put it in there first to go and squeeze. Make sure it ain't going to come off. That's good. Sure it's squeezed in there pretty good. Then crimp. Make sure it ain't gonna come off. It ain't. Alright, that's good. So we got that part done. Now determining where the wire goes. I'm gonna have to hook this thing up. Put this in here. This is my other remote I got with it. It come with 2 remotes, one small keychain remote and then this one. And I'll put that over here for now. Now, according to the diagram, white leg will attach to the top one. Like that. And the yellow one will attach to the bottom one. Like that. As you can see. Alright. Now, for the fun part, we're going to have to take loose the battery positive and the battery negative and attach these 2 wires to them, the red and the black. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.